What is up, everybody? Svenddiesel here with a little tip on how to store your eyes. Somebody mentioned this to me years ago, and I'm finally getting around to do it. These are just regular baseball sleeve organizers, as I called it. I started off with a mess like this. I just, can't find the eyes, and so I just buy some, and now I'm finding out I got way too many of some styles. So what I did is I went ahead and sorted them out, put them in these sleeves. As you can see, I could put it in a binder, but nice and organized. I grouped them by brand so that, you flip it over, and I like that I can see the other side of the packaging. I went up in increasing in size, and I also included some of my customized that I've ordered as well. And I had a few unique experiences. I found a few bonus eyes. As you can see, this was a new pack. I got a +1. It kind of made my day going through and finding that. But as you can see, it's a super easy way to organize your eyes. We got some randomize here. You can continually add more and more sleeves. I put all my synthetic fake jungle cock on there. I also went ahead and put all my shrimp eyes. I use quite a bit of these, and I just fold the package in half. We've got some really big eyes, and now I know what I have, where it is. I could put these in a binder. These are really cheap. I ordered them off Amazon to get these sleeves, and I believe you could get as many as you want, but now it's nice and organized, and I'll be able to find them easier. So a little tying tip. So thanks for watching.